Want to sync your scanned documents even when Wi Fi is not available? Here's how to enable sync using cellular data in the CamScanner app on iPhone. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner. Now go to the Sync Settings section. Here you'll find the option called Sync using cellular data. Simply tap the toggle next to it to turn the feature on. Once enabled, CamScanner will automatically sync your documents using both Wi Fi and mobile data. This is useful if you want your files to stay updated, even when you're away from a Wi Fi connection. Keep in mind that syncing over cellular data may use some of your mobile internet data, depending on the file size. If the option looks different on your screen, it may depend on your CamScanner version or iPhone iOS version, but the steps are mostly similar. And that's it. That's how you can enable sync using cellular data in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials.